Let's review Data Factory as we used it for our Internet of Things project. You can configure the following elements. You can configure linked services as Azure Storage, Azure SQL, SQL Server, on-premise databases. There are some kind of the connections you have in your project. We used a connection to the HD Insight service on Azure, to a blob storage, and to an on-premise SQL database, which is some kind of reference data, master data we put in. Then we have the possibility to define data sets. And these are some kind of the data connections to the linked services. Here you see the Hive input blob table defined with the different columns. And here you have the output blob table and the output table CSV, which are two steps with our Hive transformation, and of course our on-premise reference data. All that together can be connected via a pipeline where there are different inputs and outputs and several activities. In our case, we only use one activity, which is a Hive transformation on HD Insight, and below you see the execution time when it is supposed to process. And in the end, if you configure everything right, you get this nice diagram where you see the latest execution results. In our case, everything was green. You can have a review of your linked services. And here's quite handy. With one click, you have a data gateway, which sets up the VPN tunnel to your on-premise SQL database, for example. It's very handy, very easy to implement. Regarding your data sets, you see, again, the data sets and the names and the last executions. And if they were successful, you can even drill into the scheme of the table and drill down one more step to the latest executions, and then in the end even see the Hive script that was executed. You can see it here.